Okay, here's our front door. Uh-oh, battery's low. Our new stove. Voila. You got a billion cabinets. I won't be able to reach anything. And then our fridge. That is a little fridge. And then a dishwasher, sink. We got a new cabinet or new countertops. What are you gonna be in the video? Here's our living room. This is a nasty thing that we're gonna have to get rid of. That little thing. Here's our living room. Big. There's Zachary. And then this way, got a cool little cutout ceiling. Yeah, there's our cool window setup. And then back over here, we got the bathroom.
Show them small too.
Oh well. And then so that's our bathroom. Brand new vanity. New turlet.
Yeah, baby.
Windows, hey. Out this way. Da-da. No, there's no light in there.
Giant walk-in closet.
Giant walk-in closet. He's still going back, folks. Still going back. 12 feet of closet.
12 by 4.
12 by 4. And then right here, got the bedroom. It's gigantic. Got a little closet of action app. Open the closet. Teeny tiny closet. It's like a foot deep. The windows. That's the street out there. Back around. That's it. Oh, you want to go upstairs real quick?
There's a closet over here.
Yeah, there's a closet in here too.
This is the kind.
This is our coat closet. Yep. That's it. And then, you want to go upstairs real quick?
There's no lights.
Oh. Alright. That's it. Bye-bye.